Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Steam error message that you are coming across that says fatal error, failed to connect with local Steam client process. Please make sure that you are running the latest version of Steam client. You can check for Steam client updates using Steam main menu. And if you've already checked for updates and you're still having the problem, something else we can try here is going underneath the library tab and then right click on your game on the left side here and select where it says properties, select local files on the left side, and then select where it says browse. Go ahead and left click on that. Right click on the application file. It should be the little icon where the game is. So go ahead and right click on it and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and then check mark where it says run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK. And now you should be good to go. And if you need to check for updates, go ahead and select File and go ahead and select Steam up in the top left and select where it says check for Steam client updates and go ahead and let this run here. So you can see it says that your Steam client is already up to date, which is good. If it wasn't, it would go ahead and download and install the latest updates. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.